Sometimes the simplest foods are the best foods for us. Let's get healthy together. We will be discussing one of the most popular fruit in the world and its amazing benefits to our health. Eating apples health benefits. This is Brightest Life. Welcome and subscribe to our channel. You don't have to be a nutritionist to realize that apples are good for you. Not only do they come in their own packaging, they are also full of nutrients that give them a huge list of health benefits. 1. Whiter, healthier teeth. Apples won't replace your toothbrush, but biting and chewing an apple can stimulate the production of saliva in your mouth and reduce tooth decay by lowering the levels of bacteria. 2. Avoid Alzheimer's. A study on the benefits of apples shows that drinking apple juice could keep Alzheimer's away and fight the effects of aging on the brain. The mice in the study that were fed an apple-enhanced diet showed higher levels of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine and did better in maze tests than those on a regular diet. 3. Curb all sorts of cancers. The consumption of flavanol-rich apples could help reduce your risk of developing pancreatic cancer. It was identified several compounds in apple peel that have potent anti-growth activities against cancer cells in the liver, colon, and breast. Their earlier research found that extracts from whole apples can reduce the number and size of mammary tumors in rats. It is recommended a high fiber intake to reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. 4. Decrease your risk of diabetes. Women who eat at least one apple a day are less likely to develop type 2 diabetes than those who don't eat apples. This fruit is extremely high in pectin, a soluble fiber, and is the key to blunting blood sugar swings. 5. Reduce cholesterol. The soluble fiber found in apples binds with fats in the intestine, which translates into lower cholesterol levels. 6. Get a healthier heart. An extensive body of research has linked high soluble fiber intake with a slower buildup of cholesterol-rich plaque in arteries. The phenolic compound found in apple skins also prevents the cholesterol that gets into your system from solidifying on your artery walls. When plaque builds inside your arteries, it reduces blood flow to your heart, leading to coronary artery disease. 7. Prevent gallstones. Gallstones form when there's too much cholesterol in your bile for it to remain as a liquid, so it solidifies. They are particularly prevalent in the obese. To prevent gallstones, doctors recommend a diet high in fiber to help you control your weight and cholesterol levels. 8. Beat diarrhea and constipation. Whether you can't go to the bathroom or you just can't stop, fiber found in apples can help. Fiber can either pull water out of your colon to keep things moving along when you're backed up, or absorb excess water from your stool to slow your bowels down. 9. Neutralize irritable bowel syndrome. IBS is characterized by constipation, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and bloating. To control these symptoms, doctors recommend staying away from dairy and fatty foods. People with IBS understand all too well how food can make symptoms worse. 10. Prevent hemorrhoids. Hemorrhoids are a swollen vein in the anal canal. While not life-threatening, these veins can be very painful. They are caused by too much pressure in the pelvic and rectal areas. Part and parcel with controlling constipation, fiber can help keep your bowel movements regular and prevent you from straining too much when going to the bathroom. 11. Control your weight. Many health problems are associated with being overweight, such as heart disease, stroke, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and sleep apnea. To manage weight and improve overall health, doctors recommend a diet rich in fiber. 12. Detoxify your liver. Your liver is responsible for clearing these toxins out of your body. Many doctors are skeptical of fad detox diets, saying they have the potential to do more harm than good. Luckily, one of the best things you can eat to help detoxify your liver is to incorporate fruits, like apples, into your diet. 13. Boost your immune system. Red apples contain an antioxidant called quercetin. Recent studies have found that quercetin can help boost and fortify your immune system, especially when you're stressed out. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. We will be glad if you click the subscribe button to keep you updated. Like, comment, share, and click the notification bell too. Eat healthy, live happy. Let's get healthy together. God bless everyone.